Hey guys, welcome to another video. I've got plenty of new subscribers, so thank you for subscribing, liking the videos and whatnot. I really appreciate the support. I haven't got any nasty comments yet, so that's all good. Thank you for that. Today, obviously, as you can tell, it's dark. There's a reason for that. I've got a light bulb installed. Not the most exciting video, but this is Jesse's car. It's a Kia Rio 3 something or rather, Eco Dynamics, you know, one of those things today. These light bulbs, they are Osram Cool Intense, and I thought perhaps some of you people might like see what the results are. So yeah, I mean, I'm gonna drive the car, show you how yellow the light is, and then compare it with the new blue ones. It is a direct replacement H7 light bulb. I was gonna go with the route of like one of these new LED lights that you can get, but I decided to go against it because this car has got a module. Therefore, it would come up with a canvas fault and it would show on the dash that we haven't got a light bulb and the light bulb is out. Therefore, I've decided to go with the direct replacement. So I'm just going to drive the car now, see the footage, what the light is like, and then drive the car again once I replace it to see what the light is like then. Let's get started. Right, so I just had a little drive with the old light bulbs. I'm gonna put the new ones in. I'm just parked against some sort of fence, and then I'm gonna drive. I'm gonna try and put the two images together so you can see the direct comparison. The camera doesn't quite do justice how yellow these headlights are, but hopefully we will be able to see the difference. Anyway, let's get cracking. Alright, just before I do the install, just before you guys know, it is an Osram Cool Blue Intense Xenon look. The color is 4.2K, which is 20% brighter. The only sort of downfall I can see is the lifetime is about half of a normal light bulb. But let's crack this open and have a look. I did try and park under a street lamp so we can get some lights, so hopefully that should be all good. Alright, so I'm using my phone as a torch. This side seems good, fairly accessible, so it really depends on your car. It is quite individual to what it takes to change a light bulb. They are going to be hot as we were just driving. Okay, so the light bulb was in the wrong way around. So that's one headlight. Let's turn them on and see if we can tell the difference. Not really. Alright, let's do the other side. So here you can see the actual light color itself, which does seem a lot whiter. You can see the old one is the image below. Now I'm going to drive against the fence again, see what that comparison is like. Now parked against the same fence, it does seem quite yellow. The problem I think I'm having here is the car has got projector headlights, and perhaps the lens in the projector headlight is slightly yellow as well. Am I a little bit disappointed? Yep, I thought it was going to be a bit better though, to be honest. But let's get some image from the outside. Well, it does look blue, but I think that's purely because of the LED running lights flickering away. If you guys do want to know why they flicker, it's because they're controlled by pulse width modulation, and that means the LED is essentially on and off. It's just because we as humans can't see it, but the camera with the frame rate can. So you saw for yourself, it's not quite what I was expecting. It's okay, but it's not the HID or the LED look I was sort of hoping for. So if you do want that modern look, I wouldn't bother with these bulbs. It's easy, it's direct replacement, it's better, but in future I will go for the LED or the HID kit. There is a way around the campus problem. It does make it a little bit more difficult, more wiring and drilling and mounting modules and stuff, but that's what I will do in the future. Wipers going. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it's helpful for someone that's thinking about these bulbs. I'm pretty sure some of the bulbs like the Philips night breakers gonna come with similar results. So saying that, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, liking the videos, and I will have a full video tomorrow working on the Subaru, so stay tuned. See ya.